Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from 28th of April till the 4th of May. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Okay, and for Ho'oponopono masterclass and self love course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start. Libra, 28th, we have the laziness. Okay, you might feel like, okay, you might have this tendency to procrastinate or feel like, okay, I'll so think about it afterwards, this is not important, or yeah, I will do it later on, something like that. Okay, the weekend energy might follow, but the more you're going to procrastinate the important things, the more they are going to haunt you later on. So it's better to finish the task or finish the work or whatever you are procrastinating here on this day only. Laziness is good sometimes, but not more than required, honey. 29th, we have the consciousness. On this particular day, the more you are going to be in a mindfulness kind of energy, the more you are going to remain conscious about your energies, about your day, about what's happening, the more it's going to be like your awareness is going to get heightened, your consciousness is going to heighten. Basically, you are going to have spiritual growth on this particular day. The more you are going to stay aware, alert, and conscious. Good. And for those of you who are working on their spirituality consciously, this day is going to mark tremendous growth for you guys. By the way, 28, 29, 30, we have the suppression. Don't suppress something. Don't suppress the emotions. There is something that you're suppressing here. Might be some kind of anger, frustration, or your feelings for something or someone, and or your desire to do something. But the more you are going to suppress something, the more it's going to erupt like a volcano or something in the coming future. So try to find a productive way to express yourself and come out of this suppressing energies. Yeah, hard to do that, but it's very important. Like suppressed emotions lead to fear and anger and guilt and whatnot, and then to diseases. God, I got it a hard way. Yeah, 27, 28, 29, 30th. Sorry, 28, 29, 30. I'm really sorry. 28, 29, 30. This is first totality. Yeah, take help from somebody in order to find a solution to a problem. Maybe you are working on in a group project or something, or maybe you are having a situation where you require help from others in order to finish that work or job or whatever that is. Take help. Okay, once you're going to take help, you are going to become the totality with that energy, and you will be definitely able to finish the task or find a solution to the problem. Cool. Okay, I had aloo parathas today and I'm regretting it today. Okay, we have 28, 29, 31st, second is the moment to moment, and this is card number 2 as well. So second May, second card, moment to moment. The more you are going to live your life moment to moment, instead of planning and plotting and instead of thinking too much about the future, it's going to make your life more happier, more blissful, more easy, more happy go lucky, right? So on this particular day, practice in this practice being in this energy of, okay, I'm going to live my day to day from moment to moment, not going to think too much about the past or future, or maybe after half an hour what's going to happen. Just live this day moment to moment, practice it. Perfect. Okay, third, we have the postponement. Now on this particular day, even if you're going to get frustrated or angry by the postponement or by the delays, it's actually helping you to connect with yourself and maybe helping you to see things from a different perspective. So this postponement or this delay is actually happening for you to understand the power of patience and connecting with yourself, and understanding that what no matter what you are stuck on, no matter what this delay or postponement is, nothing is more precious than you connecting with yourself and you being patient with your own energies. So it's sometimes it's very hard, but this is the lesson behind it. 4th of May, we have the fighting. You might have this tendency to fight with others in order to prove your point, right? I don't know if you're going to be right or wrong, but whatever it is, try to not to create a scene, try to not to fight with others, because it's going to backfire maybe in the coming future. Try to keep your point in a calm and subtle way, right? Very difficult, but try to not to fight, try to not to create drama. Maybe take a break and detach yourself for some time, and or try to keep your point in a subtle and calm and composite way, rather than creating a scene or fighting and regretting it later on. That's important. difficult but important. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.